boy pop up at that club with that new
No mother. I mean mother yard. This video could be lit, you know why? Because I had a dumb idea, another level.
Okay.
So you know what I did? Now I'm gonna tell you, bro. Come follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Damn, my cameraman is close. Just give me the camera. I forgot my keys. Wait. Forgot my keys. This is my new Lamborghini that I bought for 1500. Bruh. 1500 Lamborghini, bro.
Hey, rip on my shirt if you love me. Spit in my face when you fuck me. Play with my goose while you suck me. Eat the dick like you.
Damn, bro. Let me start this shit up. Oh, hell. Listen.
Wait a minute.
Hey, boy. Boy, start up. Boom. Very fast. Bro, I am gonna cut the out of this top, bro.
What?
Cut it like this. Boom, boom, make it convertible. And I'll be standing on top of it. Almost done, bro. Almost done. I'm gonna be stunking on these bitches, bro. I'm gonna pull up on them. Okay, alright, okay.
Cut with that new Glock, I wish he would.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Kushaki, that's my dog. But cool, you know I'm.
Taking that ass and I'm throwing some ones. My bitch is too fire, she hot like the sun. When you say the game, then you better run. Niggas too broke out here looking like bums. I call up LP now.
Hello,
runs. I call up LP now.
my new Lamborghini Venture. The Venture Tour, nobody ever seen. First ever convertible Lamborghini Venture Tour. Bro, I don't gotta go through the car. I can pop out like this. Boom, 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 boom. You know what's the best part? Best part. My homie, little Shuki. You see me and little Shuki in the car? That's my homie, little Shuki. Look at this, me and little Shuki together. Little Shuki knows how to drive stick too. Look there. First, second, little Shuki is driving stick. First, second, third, fourth. Little Shuki is good at this shit. Hey, little Shuki, yes. Little Shuki, look at little Shuki chilling in the back. Look in the top, man. Oh my god, the dust is blowing all over my face. Bro, sometimes I forget which gear I have to put it in. Now it's in sports. I'm a dumbass, bro. Little Shuki chilling. Boom. Look at little Shuki in the right mirror, bro. Look at how he's sexy he looks. Stop sign, bro. We gotta fucking stop like all the way. Then you gotta put it in first. Then you gotta go. What's up, bitch? Man. Boom.
Get up in the studio. All I want for my birthday is a big booty house. All I want for my birthday is a big booty house. When I die, bury me inside.
Big booty.
Perfect.
Shasti is my dog. Let's see what it's playing right now.
Yeah.
It's playing hard right now.
And it's snowing. Why are we?
Who's Shasti? Shaisty's driving stick. Where's Pooh Shiesty? Pooh Shiesty's chilling in the back. Man.
You do not know how to drive stick.
Man, I don't know how to fuck to drive stick. Pooh Shiesty! Pooh Shiesty's chilling in the back. Damn, did I stall the car? Oh shit. Son, what the fuck you gotta record this shit? Pooh Shiesty, I'll put the camera down right now. The fucking bears. Ah, damn, look at that fucking smoke. Boom, 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 boom! Boom, 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 boom. I don't even know what gear I am right now. Damn, no, I should be in third right now. Damn, look at that smooth ass clutch. Boom, now we're back in third, fourth, fifth, second, third. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, it's gonna be summertime. That's too sick, motherfucker. Pooh Shiesty doesn't want to sit. Let's just go back home, bro. My mommy is waiting for me. I gotta go say hi to mommy. I froze my balls off, bro. Got it! I don't know how cold this shit is right now. But it's cold as shit. Should we do a drift?
No.
Sano, you gotta record this shit. You
I am recording it. Shut the fuck up.
Out here looking like bombs. I call up LB now.
shitty cameraman. Fire his ass. Part 2 coming soon. Part 2 next week, and when we gonna dump this car. I gotta break the glass, bro. I gotta do a better job of this. Okay. Recording? Hello! What's up, motherfuckers? Welcome back to another video. This video is lit, bro. You know why? Cause I came up with it, bro.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
This video is me.
Wait a minute.
Wait. Should I break this one? Cause I don't want to clean up that much mess.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Yeah, bro. It doesn't want to break. Nah, I kinda don't want to clean up mess, man. I'm lazy as shit.
Culture like 13, Mr. Pull the niggas, I ain't scurry. And by any means.
Oh, shit, we went a whole other place. I like to break this shit. Where should we go?
These other beans, my hereditary. I fucked that hoe like Leah May just to have a baby by February.
Come on, man.
Well, now we have to look it up. Should we hit the back one? Or should we go for the...
Big cat, Lambo truck, straight pitch black, top that sax on fit fat, my unborn.
It's not breaking. Yeah, bro, how are we gonna sit in this car?
I know, that's why I told you to do it after.
I'm retarded as fuck.
That's why I was like, bro, we'll do it after.
It's okay. Got the vacuum.
Thought I gotta bridge that. First car gon' be a Hellcat. Good gas, boy, we smell that. Shoot the same car on Chanel back. I got a duff.
Alright, wait. So until I do the vacuum cleaning, let me just give you a background story, bro. So this video is pretty retarded. You know, like how my videos are retarded, so this is retarded too. The plan is basically go play bumper car with this car in real life. You're gonna hit shit, but it didn't go that well. So after that, bro, my idea is to fuck this car up. Whatever money we make, we will go to a casino and blow it up. Maybe go to a strip club too. Nah, I'm just joking. No, we don't do that type of shit. But have fun me cleaning this shit up. Enjoy the video though. I don't know how to drive stick though.
I thought you did. What tree you gonna hit?
This one.
But not with me in it. Hold on, I didn't put my seatbelt on.
Should we hit it?
Oh, bro. Damn.
I didn't think this shit through, bro. Should we back it into it?
Damn.
Nice ass tree you hit though.
But yeah, it was not yours.
I'm just scared as fuck, bro.
Bro, yeah, that's how you get hurt.
You're not gonna get hurt.
Yes, you are, bro.
Let me see the camera. Donnie's scared, Donnie.
Good job.
Go off-roading in there.
Bro, man, hold up, man. Fuck this.
I feel like it's not a good idea doing it right now.
Man, there's nothing you can hit. Like, what do you mean?
Look, we're going off-roading. Record.
Slide for me, all that talk, that's cat, nigga.
But I feel like my neighbors gonna complain on me, man.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
Should have hit that tree. You should go back and try to hit that tree.
Go ahead, bro, but let me out the car, bro.
Oh my. Why are you so scared?
Cuz, bro, I'm not drunk. It's on my side, G.
I go on my side.
Man, that's...
Ready?
Fuck.
I just gotta hit back into the tree.
Oh my god.
I gotta go put this car in the garage right now.
Oh, hell no. Oh, it's not that bad.
The plane came off.
Damn, I thought it was gonna be worse. Bro, you dented already.
What?
You dented it.
What? Bro. It's fucking last one inside my ass, bro. Bro, this is not a good idea, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, to the... Oh, shit.
Not this fucking junk, bro. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna Damn, my ass 24-hour service.
Please leave your message for
Man, what the fuck? Hello? Yeah, I called you right now, man. I got a car for junk. You say you buy junk cars, right? I mean, you told, huh? I got a car. It's a Chevy. What is it, Spark? Yeah, Chevy Spark. You want it? It's in Skokie. You want me to give you the address? Been a long time without you, my friend. Finally. You know, so I got paid $60 for that car, the piece of shit car. We're gonna go. We got the money, bro.
Oh, he paid you?
Yeah, bro.
Damn, I have to call him too.
He paid me $60 for that piece of shit.
Man, that's decent or something.
So, bro, we're gonna go and let's see if we can double this money and go to the strip club. I'm just okay. We go. If we win some money, bro, I don't know. We're gonna do something dumb. I don't know what. I gotta still figure it out. But let's go. Let's go spend this money at the casino, though. You gonna check my ID?
Yeah.
What the fuck happened?
I don't know.
Bro, let's go to the strip club. That'd be much better.
For 45 now?
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck is 45?
This is stupid, bro. Let's go get the fuck out of here, bro. I'd rather give you the 40, bro. Man, that was the stupidest thing I ever did. Like, $20 waste of fucking my money, bro. I don't know. I still gotta figure out what to do, though.
Keep it up and down.